In 1910, a legal battle questioned the limits of government regulation. Could the state restrict how a person used their own property without violating due process? This is. Toribio, a cattle owner, was charged for violating Act No. 1147, a law requiring a permit to slaughter cattle. He argued that this law unfairly restricted his right to dispose of his property. The issue? Did the law deprive Toribio of property without due process, or was it a valid government regulation? The Supreme Court ruled against Toribio, stating that the law was a reasonable exercise of police power, a necessary regulation to protect public health and welfare. The court clarified that due process does not prevent the government from imposing regulations, as long as they are reasonable, not arbitrary, and serve a legitimate public interest. People versus. Toribio reinforced that the government can regulate private property if it promotes the public good, setting a precedent for future laws on health, business, and economic policies. Due process protects individual rights, but when it comes to public welfare, the government has the power to regulate. People versus. Toribio remains a key case in defining the balance between personal freedom and state authority.